This is the Waverider, Mach 5. Maneuverable. Unstoppable.
3 questions define this weapon. 1. How does it survive re-entry? 2. How does it maneuver at Mach 5?
Tungsten. Carbon fiber. This is where it starts.
One wrong ratio. The entire facility is gone.
The casing must hold 200 atmospheres of pressure.
2,000 degrees Celsius. These tiles will take it.
The brain. Accurate to within meters at 5,000 kilometers. The beast is assembled. Ready for testing. The beast has been unleashed. Hypersonic. Unstoppable.
Carbon fiber. Tungsten. The raw materials of a hypersonic weapon. This is how the missile body is born, layer by layer.
Tungsten. Dense and deadly. Forged into a warhead casing.
One wrong ratio. The entire facility is gone. The casing is filled. The fuel is locked inside.
The nozzle must withstand 3,000 degrees Celsius.
X-ray. Flawless. Ready for assembly.
15 microns out of spec. This nozzle is scrap.
The materials are distributed. Each line is ready. Step 1 is complete. The factory moves on.
Steel. Bent, welded, and shaped into a pressure vessel.
Weld inspected. Diameter verified. Casing approved.
Propellant cast. The motor is now alive.
Cured at 200 degrees. The propellant is now solid.
Insulation applied. This casing will survive the fire. The nozzle is mounted. The exhaust will be directed.
PVC. The nozzle moves. The missile steers. The igniter is installed. The motor is live.
Pressure test. 200 atmospheres. The motor holds.
Step 2 is complete. The boost motor is ready.
This is the Waverider. Machine to generate lift at Mach 5.
Carbon-carbon skin. Layer by layer, it becomes heat resistant.
Cured at 1,000 degrees. The skin is now a single solid shell. Each tile is a shield. This surface will see 2,000 degrees.
Bond integrity verified. The TPS is ready for flight.
The leading edge. Razor sharp. It must be perfect.
The brain of the glider. Installed and wired.
Guidance installed. This will hit within meters.
Terminal thrusters. They will guide the final strike. 3 is complete. The glider is ready for mating.
The inertial navigation system. Accurate to within meters.
The INS is installed. The glider now knows where it is.
Satellite guidance. Beidou locks on. The glider knows its path.
Terminal thrusters. Each one fired and verified.
Software uploaded. The glider's brain is now programmed. Star tracker installed. It navigates by the stars.
Guidance integrated. INS, satellite, and star tracker all aligned.
Tested from -to 60 to 100 degrees. The guidance system holds. Electromagnetic interference test. The guidance is hardened. Step 4 is complete. The guidance system is certified for the next stage.
The payload arrives. The most critical component is now in the bunker.
The warhead is extracted. It is now in the hands of the assembly team.
The warhead is mated. The payload, and the vehicle are now one. Each bolt torqued to spec. The warhead is locked in place.
The fusing system is installed. It will arm the warhead at the designated time. The pressure switch is installed. It will only arm at altitude.
Safety systems tested. The warhead will not arm until it is ready.
Sealed and secured. The warhead is now a single, complete unit.
Weighed and balanced. The assembly is ready for its next stage.
Step 5 is complete. The warhead is fully integrated. The next phase begins.
The TEL chassis. Built to carry a 30-ton missile across any terrain.
The diesel heart. 600 horsepower, moving the beast across the desert. The hydraulic erector. 30 tons of force, raising the tube in under 60 seconds. The launch tube. 12 meters of welded steel, holding the missile. Thermal protection applied. The tube will withstand the launch. The tube is mounted. The TEL is taking shape. The cab is mounted. Armor and glass, protecting the crew. The control system is installed. The TEL is now a smart machine.
Mobility test. The TEL is built to go anywhere.
Step 6 is complete. The TEL is ready to transport and erect the missile. Secure comms installed. The TEL is now connected to the chain of command.
Radar installed. The TEL can now see its target.
Targeting computer installed. The TEL can now calculate the strike.
Power system installed. The TEL has the energy it needs.
Avionics test complete. The TEL's brain is fully operational.
Mating begins. The boost motor and glide vehicle become one.
Separation bolts installed. The stages will separate on command.
The missile is sealed in its canister, protected and ready.
The missile is now married to the TEL, a single weapon system.
Step 8 is complete. The weapon is assembled. Testing begins next.
Cold launch test. The gas kicks the missile out.
Static firing. 30 tons of thrust. Verified.
Vibration test. Simulating Mach 5 turbulence. The missile holds.
Environmental test passed. The missile survives the extremes.
Testing is complete. The DF-17 is certified for deployment.
The beast moves into the desert. The mission is on.
The Erector is raised. The beast is ready to strike. The beast is unleashed. Hypersonic.
Boost motor jettisoned. The Waverider flies on.
From a block of carbon-posite to a Mach 5 Predator.
Thank you for watching this video. This video is created using AI tools. Scripting, voice design, and animations are originally creations powered by Google AI Studio and VO3. No copyrighted footage is used. All videos are AI simulated for educational and informational purpose only.